Next is a paragraph completion question. Let's read this question. It says, in an unsupported expedition, North Pole travelers must ski, snowshoe, swim and climb, all while towing a 300-pound sled of supplies approximately 480 miles, which takes about 50 to 70 days. There are mounds of ice as big as houses to get over and stretches of 30-degree water to traverse, which travelers swim across wearing a full body rubber suit. Air temperatures often hover about 40 degrees below zero. Now let's look at our options. We need to find the next line. Let's start with option D. Further complicating the matter, the weather window for reaching the North Pole is short and getting shorter every year, lasting from early March to early May, when the harshest temperature of winter abate and the summer melt ice is just beginning. Although this looks like a good option, we need to understand and very particularly see that the paragraph is talking about travelers in the North Pole and option D is talking about reaching North Pole. So these might be different things and hence option D might not fit just next to the paragraph as given here. Option C says during a 2007 expedition, Weber walked for 10 to 12 hours a day, but because the ice he was on was drifting south, he stayed in virtually the same spot. This again looks like a good option as it talks about one instance, but right now author is describing the scenario as is there in this unsupported expedition, and hence option C as an example can come a little later. Option B says it is the most difficult expedition on the planet that nobody really knows about, says Larson. This is a quote which supports the argument which is already presented by the question in the paragraph, and hence option B can fit right next to the paragraph. Option A, the future of skiing at North Pole is dim, is not the right answer as skiing has not really been talked about, so we are not very sure whether the aim is to ski. Although North Pole travelers must ski, snowshoe and swim, the aim might not be skiing at North Pole and it might just be a requirement to do whatever that they aim to do. Hence correct answer to this question will become B.